The Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group conducts a raid in properties allegedly owned by Negros Oriental Representative Arnie Teves. In an interview with DZBB, Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos confirms the search is ongoing for firearms with allegedly fake documents. Abalos says only some of the 5 houses being searched in Negros Oriental are owned by Teves. He adds the raid is related to allegations Teves ordered killings in the province in 2019. Teves' legal counsel says they hope, quote, all the safeguards on the implementation of search warrants will be followed by the police. Justice Secretary Boyeng Remulla earlier said the DOJ was, quote, not exempting anybody in the investigations. Meanwhile, House Speaker Martin Romualdez urges Teves to return to the country to face the accusations against him.